Hello and welcome to the Crafty Elf Workshop. In today's video, I've been inspired by the Netflix show Tidying Up, Marie Kondo. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Everything is about folding properly. She shows you how to fold t-shirts, panties, bras, and everything else. But now I'm doing my lingerie drawer and I would like to fold pajamas. So I have a top and a pair of pants. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out the top like she shows in her videos, and the pants I'm going to, actually I should probably fold these first. She always says that if this part sticks out, fold it in. So I will fold it in and I will fold once and then twice. Nice neat package. Now let's go to the top. I'm going to lay the top face down and I'm going to fold the body in, and Marie says to fold this once, down and over. Do the same with the other side. Fold the shirt over, back, and down. I want to get that far. I'm just going to make everything neat and tidy. I'm going to take the pants and I'm going to put them right in with the top. And I'm going to fold up once, twice. I'm even going to tuck the collar over the bottom. And there I have my pajamas all ready to tuck in nice and neatly into my drawer. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps organize your drawers. I'm organizing mine, and keep watching. Thank you.